love tarragon. I love the way tarragon tastes. Michael, I'm making something that you're gonna like. Michael could eat soup 3 times a day, and I am making a recipe that I shared with y'all quite a few years back. And for some reason, we don't have any video on this particular recipe, and somebody requested us to do this on some video tape. So that's what we're gonna do, and it's lemon tarragon chicken soup. And we are gonna start back here at the stove. It calls for like 2/3 a stick of butter. So we're gonna melt our butter, and then we're gonna saute our leeks in our butter, and then we're gonna add some flour to thicken our soup a little bit. So we're gonna melt our butter, and we're gonna throw in our leeks, and we're gonna cook those until they are translucent. And I love my brand new cookware, may I say. I love the silver, Eddie. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
With the dimples. Love it. I always wanted dimples. I used to sit in school with my pen,
Try to make
my pencil like this, thinking, well, maybe I'll get a dimple. That's when I was young and real stupid. All right, I've got our cream heated over here. And our liquid is going to consist of a quart of heavy cream that has been heated, and then a quart of chicken stock. So this is going to make a nice pot of chicken soup. Okay, I'm going to rush this and go ahead and pour my leeks in. And that's 3 cups of sliced leeks. And while that's heating up, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to slice my tarragon. And I'm going to need like a tablespoon of tarragon. I just love this stuff. I think Michael let in a fly with him coming and going. I'm going to take the bulk of the stem out. And you just hold it and go in the opposite direction of the stem. And it comes off very easy. Smells like licorice, y'all. Smells just like licorice. So let's see. Let's see if we can get us up a tablespoon plate. I feel a stem. So that looks like a tablespoon, doesn't it? When you start slicing it, it really does smell so good. So let's step back over here and see if it's starting to get hot. The butter is almost melted. I'm gonna cut this up just a little bit. And when those get kind of translucent, oh, that don't those smell good, Eddie?
Yes, it does.
Love them. That aroma's wonderful. Now this recipe calls for a chicken, and a whole chicken, and I actually roasted my chicken with Michael's after the fly now. You took our light away, didn't you, for a second? Now I forgot what I was saying, damn it. Is that your phone, Michael?
It was mine.
Teresa's phone. Y'all are distracting me. I can't think when I'm distracted.
I'm sorry.
What was I saying, Amy?
You were talking about Michael liking chicken.
Oh no, I was talking about how I cooked my chicken. I roasted it in the air fryer with lemon slices on it, a little lemon pepper and salt. So, you know, however you want to cook your chicken is strictly up to you, or you can pick up one that's been prepared at your grocery store. And I know the grocery store that I shop at, they have a lemon flavored chicken that I really, really do like. Have you ever bought that kind of
the lemon pepper, yeah.
The lemon pepper, yes,
Yep.
It's really good. This is gonna be yummy. I just wish it was like 36 degrees outside, Eddie. I could get a lot more excited. All right, so while we're waiting on that, I'm gonna come over here and I am gonna zest a lemon. I'll wash it first. Did you get him, Mikey?
Nope.
Looking good. This is zesty good. This is going to be delicious with the lemon and the tarragon and the leeks. It's going to be just a wonderful combination. Okay, that's pretty good. We got that bad boy pretty good. We'll go ahead and throw our tablespoon of tarragon up there. Okay, I think these are pretty much translucent. So I'm gonna add our flour. We're gonna stir that real good together because we don't want it to lump our liquid. And we'll add a little salt. And I'm gonna see if I can put my hands on my lemon pepper. Which I really do like that seasoning, if I can find it. We're almost in our house, y'all. And I'm actually gonna be going back to a place for my seasonings, so I don't have to go through this every time. Heated cream, like a half a cup at the time. And I'm going to incorporate that fairly slow because, like I said, we do not want this to lump. Doesn't that look good?
It is. So is it? So you're adding cream. So is it a?
A what?
I'm trying to think. What's the difference between like something that has cream in it and just broth in it? What?
Well, it's gonna have both.
Okay. So
We're gonna have the chicken broth
Okay. Because that's looking
and the
like clam
cream.
chowder to me.
It does. But when we get through, all right, now I'm gonna slowly. I love the pour spouts on my cookware. That makes it so easy. All right. Yeah, so it is, it's a lot of cream, but it's also a lot of chicken broth. So that'll kind of even everything out. Now I didn't heat the stock back up because I was mixing the heavy cream first, and it just mixes better if heat meets heat. Okay. I wonder if I got enough spoons going here. I think I do. All right, so 1 quart of chicken broth.
Ooh, it smells fabulous.
Doesn't it smell good, Teresa? All right, and now we're gonna put our tarragon and our lemon zest. Get every bit of it. I don't remember, but I may come back and add some more tarragon to it. All right, that's my lemon juice. And now I'm gonna add our chicken back in. And this is gonna be delicious.
Looks so good.
Doesn't it look good? Oh, so nice and hearty. And
Now, have you ever tried? Could you substitute the chicken out for like fish or crab?
no.
No.
No, not really. That's crab stew. I wouldn't put a chicken stock in it. Although you could. You know, there's no rules in the kitchen. It's all about your tongue and what you like. So I think that's everything. Let me take a look at this and make sure I didn't leave anything out. That's it. That is it. So we'll just have to let that heat. And I'm gonna look for my lemon pepper when we break for a second. I know I got some. Ooh, I can't wait to taste that. Can't wait to have a little bowl. Even though it is 92 degrees outside.
82.
82. But it feels like what?
Well, it's so cold. I mean, it's so hot, and we have nothing but rain. So it's so humid, it's ridiculous.
I know, as Michael calls it, the humidity.
Yeah.
The humidity. All right, I finally found the lemon pepper seasoning salt. So you want to be careful because this says lemon pepper, but it's got a lot of salt in it too. So don't want to overdo it, but I'm satisfied now. I knew I had some. This soup is so yummy, y'all. Eddie said it looked very artsy. Whoa, about dropped it. And it does. It looks very artsy. And it's so delicious. The leeks and the tarragon and then your chicken. It's so good. And I did find the lemon pepper, y'all. And, you know, it's really, even though it's called lemon pepper, it's salt. It's another form of salt. So if you want to use it, then you might just want to cut down on the regular salt that's called for in the recipe. But I hope y'all enjoyed this. This is one of those oldies but goodies, you know, from quite a few years back.
It's very good.
Eddie said it's very good. Eddie's a savory eater. He loves savory. I love it both, sweet and savory, in any way I can get it. But I know it's real hot outside, but y'all just turn down the air conditioner and enjoy your lemon tarragon chicken soup. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.